Hello students, let's continue with the topic My Family. Continuemos con el tema Mi Familia. Read out loud. Lee en voz alta. He is my father. He is my grandfather. He is my brother. She is my grandmother. She is my mother. She is my sister. Do you remember the gender video? ¿Recuerdas el video género? Let's review the pronouns. Repasemos los pronombres. He lo usamos para nombrar a un hombre, a un niño. He. She lo usamos para nombrar a una mujer, una niña. She. Practice the dialogue with a member of your family. Practica el diálogo con un miembro de tu familia. Who is this? ¿Quién es esta? This is my mother. Esta es mi madre. She's my mother. Ella es mi madre. Take turns to ask and answer. Toma turnos para preguntar y responder. Use your family tree from the last text to change the characters. Usa tu árbol familiar de la tarea pasada para cambiar los personajes. Father, grandfather, mother, grandmother, sister, brother. Recuerda practicar mucho. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon.